Hi guys and guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So we have got a fix or repair daily. This one has come in with two faults. Well, the traction control and the ABS lights on. There's nothing wrong with the traction control system at all. This is all down to engine. So we had two faults in the engine management system. One of them was for underboost, the other was for air mass meter incorrect reading, etc, etc. So first things first, I cleared all the faults down, started the engine, saw what was going. Obviously the vehicle did drive into us. Customer reports it's down on power, running a bit bad, and two lights on. He thought it was a traction control issue, which is not. The traction control was on for invalid ECU data from whatever. So nothing to do with that. Cleared the faults. Same faults come back straight away, which is good. It means I know where to look. Now, normally with this type of fault, you would be looking for a faulty EMS meter, split pipe, turbo might be faulty, around that line, boost pressure related, because one fault was boost pressure and the other was MAP sensor, sorry. So, and it wasn't smoking excessively, which is weird. But what I noticed is when you, I just picked the revs up and it was choking, it just could not breathe. So I disconnected this, ran it, made no difference, turned it off. First one, it's really struggling to breathe. Either it's got a horrific boost leak, which it doesn't seem like it. It's not very vocally, it doesn't sound like Darth Vader or anything like that. So I thought, let me just make sure nothing's in here. But look at what we found. This air filter is soaked. And if we look inside there, oh, that is not gonna go well. Yeah, the air filter has, oh no. What's that? No, let's get this out. Are we ready for the slap? Ready? Nice. In fact, moist. Did it leave an imprint? Yes, it did. I'm gonna probably do this a few more times, not gonna lie, because I'm enjoying it. Okay, so we removed all that. I've cleaned the airbox out a little bit. Gonna take the cover off, and then we're gonna take the pipes off down there and make sure nothing's gone into the turbo, because obviously we are worried about it. And then I've got to undo these little tiny torques and change that because that's full of, paper. Well, new air filter's in, just cleaning up the remaining part of this. You can see there's just a big, oh, fell out. That was a big bit of paper blocking it, and there's still paper in the actual air mass meter itself, so we're changing it. I mean, these things are very sensitive, they can get damaged quick, so I ain't even messing around. I removed the two little torques and whipped that out. You can see there's just paper embedded. It's just covered in fragments of paper. So, like I say, you could probably try and clean it up and everything like that with contact cleaner and everything else, but there's no guarantee it's going to be correct. And because it's a customer's work van, I need it to be working one time. I ain't got time to mess around cleaning things. If it doesn't work, I'd have to order a sensor anyway. So you might just order one and get it done straight away. We've plugged the computer in, checked. There's no reason why it's showing as minus 40, but what I can only assume is it's had a wing mirror replacement and the outside temperature sensor's not working, or something's wrong, but that's not what it's in for right now. My next job is that Maserati you can see there, which we'll be doing a how-to on how to service one. So now we're going on a road test, and let's hope all is well. Well, we've taken it on a nice road test. It's revving nice and freely. It's not broken, it's not blocked, and somehow the customer got away with it. Spoke to him and, quote, drove through a puddle, but you might have called it a small river. So, at least he's honest. I do appreciate customers when they're honest. So, this one is done.